President of the United Goan Videographers Association, along with outside Secretary Taliegao, our member Supriyan Fernandez, this is our treasurer Parish Worker, and Mr. Goan Welcome to the press conference of our event Goa Photo Video Expo 2024. Our expo is happening on the 26th, 27th and the 28th of September at the St Micheal's Community Hall, Taliegao, starting from 9 AM to 6 PM all the 3 days. The best of the best in the industry, it is the best equipments which are available in the photography industry will be on display, namely Goan, Sony, Fuji will showcase their latest gadgets at the expo. All different accessories related to photography will also be available. Album printing, gimbals, studio equipment, etc. will also be available at the expo. A variety of vintage cars will also be exhibited outside the venue. The expo will be inaugurated by our Honorable MLA of Taliegao, Mr. Michael, and his wife, Mrs. Laila Lobo, will be the guest of honor. Reverend Father Cipriano Fernandez Silva, parish priest of St Micheal's Church, will bless the expo. We have been supported by a lot of people and the government also. So I would like to thank the Department of Art and Culture, Tourism Department, and all the sitting MLAs and ministers who have given their bit to help us to organize such a big event. Thank you very much to all of them. We are supported also by different associations from all over India, especially South India, that is the Kerala Association, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Pondicherry, and many more such associations are supporting our event. Thank you to all the people who are supporting us. Local traders like who deal with camera accessories like Can Clinic, Ideal Color Lab, then Piyush, Photo Emporium, then Spectrum. A lot of more Goan establishments are also helping us. Thank you to them also. We are expecting a lot of tourists to come from different parts of India. I have been already intimated that there are more than 1,000 to 2,000 people who are going to come from outside the state. I welcome them all too. Besides this, we are felicitating 20 of our own members who have completed 25 years of glorious years of being photographers in the state of Goa. So they too will be felicitated. Okay.
There will be sale.
There will be sale and display also. Plus we are having different workshops in different like cameras will be giving workshops like Sony, Goan, Fuji, they are giving their workshops and people can come and take advantage of these workshops.
आता सध्या मोबाईलच्या जमान्यात फोटोग्राफराचे हेच बंद केले फोटोग्राफी इतलं मोबाईलाचे आता सगळे फोटोग्राफर झाले तुम्ही ह्या बदलाकडे कशा दृष्टीकोनातून पळयता
ना म्हणजे कितें आता आमी जो प्रोफेशन आसा ते मोबायलाचेर जावंक शकना पयले म्हजें म्हणणें तें सेकंड थिंग मोबायल इज एन accessory where we can actually do photography and do video, but when we are using these high-end cameras we will always support people using DSLR cameras and good video cameras so that our profession is not taken over by mobiles. Okay, so we fully support people who are using DSLR cameras who are for their professional work.
तुमचं इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल जाता आणि आमच्याकडे हांगासर सिनेमाचे कल्चर ना तशें कॅमेरा युनिट जाय हे अशें कितें जावचें विरोधान की बाबा कितें तुमकां कितें दिसता
ना अशें जावपूच जाय कित्याक सांग it is a way of learning, it's a process of learning for people to get into different fields of photography. Filmmaking also is a very big field of photography. So it is very important that we look into all these things. We should be part.
कोणी पुढे सरपाक जाय
आमी सोडूंक जाय आनी सरकार आमकां तांकां दिवंक जाय अशें करपाक. We are always asking the government to help us. I have met our very high-end ministers in the Goa Assembly. So I have been always telling them, sir, to help us. But आम्ही गोंयकारांचा गोष्टी association only of Goans अशी पळोवंक गेले. United Goan Photographers Association belongs to only Goan photographers. We have not taken any outsiders who are out of Goa photographers, but we are trying to showcase only our Goan photographers. So this minister, after 9 years, I am the president of the association. So all these 9 years I have been always focusing with the government to help us. आम्ही tourism industry कडे आम्ही एक फोटो बूथ मागलो पिक्चर आमकां थोडे फोटोग्राफर्स थोडे आमचे जाणटे आले तांकां येना देर नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट सो एक फोटो बूथ दिवन आमकां थंय तरी थोडी इनकम करत बट दीज आर द थिंग्स वी हॅव ऑलवेज बीन आस्किंग द गव्हर्मेंट टू हेल्प अस अशें आसा आमची मागणी आसता आमचो पेडणेकर बाबाचो 2 मराठीन उतर सांगलो